What if I told you that blurry vision after 50 isn't something you just have to accept? Most people believe that once eyesight starts to fade, the only options are stronger glasses or expensive procedures. But that isn't the full story. Your eyes are living organs, and like your heart or your muscles, they respond to how you treat them. With the right care, you can support them and often notice real improvements in clarity and comfort at any age. Vision decline usually doesn't happen overnight. It builds over years of screen strain, long hours indoors, lack of nutrients, and reduced circulation. Glasses are useful, but they don't strengthen your eyes. That's why it's important to pair them with habits that keep your visual system healthy. Small daily changes make a bigger difference than most people realize. One of the simplest steps is to give your focusing system a rhythm. When you stare at a screen up close for hours, the muscle that controls your lens cramps up. The 20-20-20 rule can help. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It relaxes the muscle, refreshes your tears, and prevents that heavy sandpaper feeling by the end of the day. Another step is protecting your tear film. Dry eye is one of the most common reasons vision looks hazy or fluctuates. Warm compresses used once or twice a day can loosen the oil glands in your lids and improve comfort. Artificial tears, especially preservative-free, can also help if you're at a screen for long stretches. Even your posture matters. Keeping screens slightly below eye level means your lids cover more of your eyes, slowing evaporation. Nutrition plays a major role too. The macula, which gives you sharp central vision, concentrates pigments like lutein and zeaxanthin. These come from spinach, kale, eggs, corn, and broccoli. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish or walnuts support healthy tears and circulation, and hydration matters. Your eyes are mostly water, and even mild dehydration can blur your vision. Light exposure is another key factor. Too much blue light at night strains your eyes and disrupts sleep, while morning sunlight helps reset your body's rhythm and supports visual function. Try to get at least 15 minutes of natural light early in the day and cut back on screens before bed. Stress also matters. When you're tense, the muscles around your eyes tighten, which reduces circulation. Deep breathing, meditation, or simply taking a short walk outdoors helps relax your vision. For those with family history of macular degeneration, certain vitamin combinations, like the AREDS2 formula, have been shown to reduce the risk of progression. But these are only for people with a diagnosed condition, and they aren't for everyone, so always check with your doctor before starting supplements. Some people also ask about saffron, bilberry, or ginkgo. Research is still early, and these are not proven cures. If you're curious, discuss them with your doctor, especially if you take other medications. Food first is still the best approach. What about night driving? Glare and halos become more common as we age. A clean windshield, an up-to-date prescription, and a check for cataracts go a long way. Cataracts are common after 60, and modern surgery is very effective when daily life is affected. Habits support your eyes, but they don't replace needed medical care. Here's the encouraging part. Your eyes are always renewing themselves. Corneal cells refresh every couple of days, and other tissues regenerate more slowly. That means it's never too late. I've seen people in their 60s and 70s make these changes and notice less strain, better night vision, and more stable clarity. It's not about miracles, it's about consistency. So here's your challenge. Start small. Try the 20-20-20 rule today. Add leafy greens to your dinner. Drink more water. Use a warm compress while you relax in the evening. Step outside for a few minutes of morning light. These little choices send a clear message to your eyes. You're taking care of them. Poor eyesight after 50 doesn't have to control your life. It's a reminder to pay attention. With the right daily habits, your best vision years may still be ahead of you. If this helped you, share it with someone you love. It might just change the way they see the world too. And if you want more science-backed tips to protect your health and stay strong as you age, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below about what vision tip you'll try first. Your support helps us reach more people who need this information.